Sa Calgary, inireklamo ng mga kababayan ang online appointment booking ng Philippine Consulate matapos mauwi sa wala ang ilang oras na paghihintay nila. Nagkaroon kasi ng technical problem ang sistema pero may solusyon na raw ito ayon sa konsulada. Cuevano reports.
Makakakita kayo ng
Hundreds of Filipinos have been complaining about the online appointment booking system by the Philippine Consulate for its scheduled consular outreach in Edmonton and Calgary this March. Many kababayans were frustrated with the system crashing. Hernani Cañete was one of them. Cañete and his co-workers from Okotoks, Alberta have been trying to book their appointment since January 27 but to no avail. Many of them came from graveyard shifts. Others called in sick from work just to be able to register online.
January 27 pa lang, down na yung system nila, booking ng Edmonton. And then, sabi ko, baka ganun uli mangyari pag booking na ng Calgary for February 3. And then, ganun nga nangyari, bagsak uli yung system nila. So, nag-announce sila ng February 10, na-move na ng February 10. Pero, bigla nilang inopen yung booking ng February 9. So, karamihan sa mga tao, nag-expect ng February 10, hindi nakabook ng February 9. Bigla-biglaan yung announcement nila. So, nagagalit talaga yung mga tao.
Cañete says he'll just have to wait and try again for other consular outreach events this year because going to Vancouver just to renew his passport is out of the question.
Parang hindi naman practical na $69 lang yung renewal eh.
Oo.
Magbabas ka papunta roon, 150.
Oo nga.
Pero plano, halos 500.
Michelle Sari also took time off from her job and tried booking on all the dates announced, but failed.
Nung dumating yung date na yon, sumubok ako, tapos ganun ulit, hindi ulit ako makapasok. Sinusubukan ko dahil 3 slot yung kailangan, dahil tigigisa daw bawat isang tao. Para yun sa akin, sa anak ko, sa 2 anak ko. Hanggang sa nag-crash na ulit. Tapos, sabi nila, maghintay lang daw. Hindi ako nakapaghintay dahil kailangan ko ng magtrabaho.
The Philippine Consulate General in Vancouver, for its part, says there were technical problems with the newly introduced online scheduler, and heavy traffic caused the system to crash. But the problem has been resolved.
Regret for the inconvenience caused by these technical difficulties encountered by our system. But we have introduced it for the benefit of our kababayan para maiwasan yung long lines for walk-in applicants and to have really a very transparent and open system for booking their appointment.
What's more, the consulate is also increasing the number of consular outreach services in the area to service the growing number of kababayans in Alberta. A tentative schedule has been posted on their website, with one consular outreach event in the calendar almost every month. Consul General Ferrer adds they have also submitted recommendations to Manila supporting proposals for a full-time consular office in the province. Cuevano, ABS-CBN News, Calgary.